Hello guys, my name is Meng Zihui. Today I'm going to talk about the use of design elements in magazine covers to convey themes. So this is a table of my sliders, which consists of 6 parts: proposal, circle review, research methodology, data analysis, conclusion, and reference list. So this is the content of the proposal. So for my research problem, the use of design elements in magazine covers to convey the theme. And next is my research questions. Which design elements are often used on magazine covers conveying themes, and how do the design elements in magazine covers convey the theme? And finally is my research objectives. First is to determine which design elements are often used to convey the theme, and next is to understand how the design elements in the cover convey the theme. And the second part is circle review. So for Circle Review 1, this article is mainly a two-class study. The study mainly inspected the cover design features of the British digital version of Vogue magazine cover in May 2022. And this article analyzed the layout design of the magazine cover and a large number of references to explain the theme of combines the international situation of the magazine release period. For summary, this article reflects the concept of using cover design elements. So that is to show the theme of magazines through the use of cover design elements and explain the changes in the magazine's theme through the changes of the cover design elements. And Circle Review 2, this article is a level 1 study that analyzes the cover design styles of short story magazine from 1910 to 1932. And this article focused on quantitative research methods such as historical interpretation and content analysis, as well as quantitative research methods in the form of questionnaires. So for summary, this primary research article is a useful reference for my topic research. Incorporating enough specialized conceptual knowledge and rigorous data analysis to show the reader's preferred style of cover design. And for Circle Review 3, this article is a primary research study that analyzes the cover design of Industrial Design magazine from 1967 to 1974 and examines the selective preference of how people identify cover design that reflect design development and visual design trends in Taiwan. The study used a quantitative research methodology of literature review and multifactorial data. So for summary, this article is a professional reference for understanding the audience selective preference for magazine cover design. The article has sufficient data analysis, literature collection, and multiple survey methods. So this is the third part, methodology. So first is visual analysis. Visual analysis is a quantitative research method where analyzing different magazine covers by visual analysis method can be help us to quickly analyze the cover's graphic symbol, lines, compositional structure, color, rendering, typography, layout, and other important design elements, and help to understand the theme and meaning of the magazine. And the second method is online survey. A questionnaire is a research tool through which I would like to collect relevant information about magazine covers from respondents. So this is magazine cover I selected. So basically, I select two types, fashion and political. For fashion magazine cover, I choose cover from recent years such as 2022, 2023. The audience is likely to have a good impression of this magazine cover or have seen it before. As for political magazine covers, I choose the world-famous political magazine, Time, and selected two classical posters from it to increase the probability that the audience has good impression of this political magazine cover. And for my video analysis research objective is to determine which design elements are often used to convey the scene. So this is my video analysis conclusion. For fashion magazine, the design elements commonly used to convey the theme of a fashion magazine cover are picture and typography. The cover uses pictures as the main elements to communicate the theme of the magazine to the readers, choosing pictures that are highly compatible with the theme of the magazine. Text elements are secondary communication elements. So for political magazine, the design elements commonly used by political magazines to communicate their theme are also picture and typography. The choice of pictures for political magazine covers is the same as for fashion magazines, closely related to the theme of the magazine. So for my method 2, the online survey research objective is to understand how the design elements in the cover convey the theme. And I got totally responses 81. So this is about whether the respondent has read the magazine before. The average unfamiliarity rate of the four magazine among the respondents was counted to be 55%, which is a high percentage. It shows that most of the respondents are unfamiliar with these four magazines and their covers. And next is about most outstanding design elements on a magazine cover. So most impressive design elements of the two fashion magazine covers to the respondents were images. And the design elements that most impressed the respondents of the two political magazine covers were typography and overall composition. And the third is about recognizing the themes on magazine cover. An average of 38% of the respondents to the four magazine covers understood the theme of the magazine through the magazine covers. So this is about respondents' outstanding of the magazine. So most of the respondents' answers were related to the theme of the magazine, and their answers give keywords for the theme of the magazine. So this is my survey conclusion. The design elements of the magazine cover are usually closely related to the theme of the magazine, and readers can learn about the theme of the magazine through the design elements of the magazine cover as they look at it. So this is my standard reference list. And thank you for watching. Bye.